In this video, we will look at Orezone Gold, which is one of the larger developers on the TSXV and has the most advanced project of the larger developers, Bombore in Burkina Faso, with production targeted by the third quarter of 2022. Its market cap is around 480 million Canadian dollars, the third largest of the big TSXV developers, after Artemis at over $1 billion and Osisko Development at around $580 million, and ahead of Bluestone, Probe, and Lion One. Orezone's share price performance since 2021 has been by far the strongest of the group, up 22.7%, compared to just 3.7% for the next best performer Artemis, with the other developers seeing declines over the period, including an 11.5% drop for Bluestone and a 40% decline for Lion One. Orezone operates in Burkina Faso, which is a rising player for gold production in Africa, with the fifth largest output from the continent in 2019 at 62 tons, with Ghana and South Africa the leaders at 142 and 118 tons, and Sudan and Mali also major producers with 77 and 71 tons, respectively. This map of Burkina Faso shows what a hotspot for gold the country has become and how widespread the activity is all over the country, with 3 past producing mines, 13 mines currently producing, and 11 gold deposits. One of the reasons we are seeing the big share price gains for Orezone versus the other TSXV large developers is the very advanced stage of its Bombore project, with first gold pour expected by the third quarter of 2022, nearly a year ahead of Osisko Development's Caribou project and Lion One's Tuvatu project, with Artemis targeting second quarter 2024 production for its Blackwater project. Bluestone targets early works by late 2023 for its Cerro Blanco project, suggesting production by 2024 at the earliest, while Probe is targeting production around 2026 for its Val d'Or East project. This picture shows the current advanced stage of Orezone's Bombore project. In terms of total measured, indicated, and inferred resources, Orezone is around the middle of the large TSXV developers at 6.2 million ounces, compared to 11.7 million for Artemis, 7 million for Osisko Development, 4.1 million for Probe, 3.1 million for Bluestone, and just 0.7 million for Lion One. Based on an EV to resource valuation, apart from Lion One, which is skewed because of its comparable low level of resources versus its market cap, the market is paying around the same level for most of these companies, between $75 to $85 per ounce, with Orezone the least expensive of the group and Osisko the most. Moving here to the total resources of the main project for each one of these developers, which are the proven and probable reserves, which have a higher confidence level than the larger measured, indicated, and inferred resources we mentioned above, we can see that Artemis has by far the largest project at 7.5 million ounces, with Probe, Bluestone, Osisko, and Orezone around 1.5 to 2.5 million ounces, with Orezone the second smallest project at 1.6 million ounces, and Lion One by far the smallest project at just 0.3 million ounces. However, Orezone is also one of the lower cost projects of the group, with an all-in sustaining cost of just $672 per ounce, which is nearly $300 below Probe's project and nearly $200 below Artemis's. Here we show the net present value outlined in the PEA's pre-feasibility and feasibility studies of the major projects of the developers, with Orezone third at $733 million after Artemis's Blackwater and Bluestone Cerro Blanco, assuming a $1,750 gold price. And while the NPV is just $316 million using the company's base case of $1,300 per ounce, we do not expect gold to decline to these levels anytime soon. The second chart shows what the market is paying in terms of market cap compared to these project NPVs. While using the $1,300 gold assumption, Orezone's market cap is 152% of its project NPV. Using the $1,750 gold assumption, it's just 65% of the NPV, below Lion One and Osisko Development, and ahead of Artemis and Probe at 48% and 45%, respectively. Orezone has about 40% upside to its consensus market target price, the lowest of the larger TSXV developers, as the company has seen the highest share price gains of the group as it has become the most de-risked of the projects and is by far the closest to production, with first gold pour now just a quarter away. You can leave any comments you have below the video, and if you are interested in more information on Canadian junior mining stocks, visit our website www.canadianminingreport.com, where we have weekly updates and many longer form industry reports, and have recently released our product, the TSXV 50 Metal Miners.